Team Tessanne, Team Chinita good as Team IR, nobody bandul voted them. Team wasting the credit for vote from Jamaica and it not even count. So Monday the top 12 take the stage. First up was Caroline, is which Princess Diary, Alice in Wonderland, Mary had a little Disney movie them are take you from. When you sing, I don't listen to you, you know. Your voice will put people in a trance. Like a cotton candy quality today in your voice, it will make you start a vote and you not even realize. Joshua, all I have to say about you is, boy, I don't really know. You coming like a 30-year-old Caillou.
I'm Caillou, so many things to do, each day is something.
Mr. Dexter's Love You, Arton Rockstar, Kakafoot. Is which Roots Tonic wine you did a drink up this week? You, just shell it. If the singing thing don't work out, you look perfect for the next season of Big Bang Theory. Austin, moving right along. Jackie, the little girl your body no, but her voice, I cannot take it for too long. She her coming like a mixed breed between Selena Gomez and Pikachu. Ray Drew or whatever you are, one name, it never too bad this week. But talk the truth, people. Him not coming like a life-size version of Woody from Toy Story. Johnny was next. Him can't sing it up, people, but all I heard was
He'll be coming around the morning when he comes.
Matthew Shula, you Mr. Black and knees with your Jackie Chan yai them. Cause you know when you wake up a morning time and matter a whole guy corner them hostage, that is what Matthew Squint are look like. You see the creepy stalker look the way him out, that will hard take away your girl. Honestly, people actually rate him but we can't stand him because he is too good and competition for Mr. Tessanne. Cole, you shell it. But when I see you, IRC's Easter. No one wants to see Mr. Counterfeit Jesus up there singing Let Me Adorn You. No one. Looking like how you been looking, you should have been up there singing.
Cause he's 4 days late, and all hope is gone.
The brother named Will Champlin or something like that. I never really remember him, so moving right along. Now to the judge then. Adam, I have nothing to say about you this week. Blake, you know what? You could have hard passed for a country western version of Wolverine. Christina, me nah lie, you look well hot this week. You know them nobody cook for your babes, me will cook for you this week type of look there. That is the sort of hotness that you are have. CeeLo, on Monday night you came out looking like a black parody platypus. Tessanne choose to sing another Emily Sanders song because she want to make Adam know where her heart day and dedicate the song to Mr. Michael Cuff. But Tessanne, you know what would be the perfect song for you sing?
Me said a body dedicated to the man when me love.
So the performance start and Tessanne up on the stage with our Dream Girls, oh no, lighting and beer things.
Don't need.
Pick up Tessanne with our nice silly posturepedic leg them. You know them nice healthy body trunk and leg there? That is what Tessanne her have. You give 2 good slap on the leg them say what that? So she start up back with the Mariah Carey hand them. Tessanne, the cocoa butter know the way they lick. Tess, you were caressing my eardrum. What me tell you last week about Chinita and her Princess Street hairstyle then? So she go down the back this week and ask him for the rain and take a bow.
Come here, rude boy, can you get it up? Come here, rude boy, is you big enough?
That hairstyle combined with the jing band bangle and necklace then, you came out looking like a 1990 dancehall queen Carlene.
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the angel face and the devil heart. You know, so ragamuffin check the
So Chinita with the ever ready African back body start to beat up her chest and rush out to the Beyonce sing the ladies choreography. I realize anytime Tessanne China trap out her man, the skeleton in her come out full force. And I remember how she does did that one when G and then did a top bow when Hoofa man did that the next to her.
You were fighting to me. You were fighting.
Tess start to step down the stairs like a yard slipper shit in her. At one point in the song, Tess start to deal with it proper. Me only look at Adam's face and Adam was there like
you have man heart a beat bodum 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 bodum.
The high note there, it was amazing. The first part of the note they sound like Christina Aguilera in a Lady Marmalade. You ever try drive up Mount Rosa yet? It's about 3 different gear you have to go in. That is what that note are coming like. Gear 1, Gear 2, Gear 3. So now the performance done. Time for the judge them make them comments. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you a special feature called So Adam start to go on about Tess' awesomeness. Him go on and on what seems like days, months and years about Tess' good body.
Every single time you get up there, every rehearsal, no matter where.
Tess just busting on the friend zone look. You know the proud look the way your mother gave when you graduate? That is what Tess them did a convey.
It's almost so consistent that the bar is so high for you.
Right about now, I do not worry about Tessanne and getting her votes because I just believe that Adam a week time be like I'm at a payphone, Tess, you're my ringtone, all of my votes I give to you. Then, box cover! That awkward moment came out of nowhere.
You did that and I love you. I love all of you, man.
When the saints go marching in,
Some serious Titanic, I believe I can fly type of emotion that, you know. All of you, are you John Legend? You know, when you hide something for all long, I just accidentally pop out. That is what that was. Me, would surprise if next day you see on TVJ News.
to a special edition of tonight's news. I am Michael Cuff. Now, American superstar Adam Levine made attempts to lure Miss Tessanne and I had to done a boy.
Jano, this are need Jerry Springer.
Nah, Barry Springer.
Adam, honestly, right about now, I have to give you a 3/4 rating because you wait until Michael Cuff in the audience you finally profess yellow fear. You must be Jamaican.
Yeah, I mean, you know, from day one.
Tommy, is a good thing you are dead here because you might end up a play referee.
Big up Tommy. I dub you, Tommy it a good.
So Tess say I love you right after.
Just invented.
Right about now, she's just a typical Jamaican woman who know how to play her cards. Cause one thing with Jamaican women, all when them don't want you, if them can bust one like a 1/3 pan you, I get like a free drop in a half a tree a day's time, then we'll do it. So now Tessanne has officially made it into the top 10. Yeah.
That's it peeps, thanks for watching another Dr. Berry show. Make sure that you comment, you share, you like and you subscribe. Oh yeah, people may keep on dancing in bread and butter Wednesdays, you know, they can roll out, they're gonna start next week, you know, free bread and butter between 11 and 12, so make sure to come out and enjoy and look at 12 and all of them things there, alright?